So you have a photo, but it's underexposed and you want to make it lighter. I'm going to show you how you can make your photo look great in Photoshop and how to make it naturally lighter. Let's go into Photoshop. Alright, so you need a photo that is underexposed. I have this one as an example and you can see here it's pretty dark. First of all, let's duplicate the background layer by pressing Ctrl or Command J. Then press right mouse on the layer and convert to Smart Object. And then we want to go to Filter and select Camera Raw Filter. In the Camera Raw Filter, we can fix the lighting. Here you can see we have a section called Light, and here we can fix the light. So first of all, we want to move the exposure up to make this lighter. And I'm also going to move the contrast up to fix the contrast here. Let's also move the highlights up, also the shadows, and let's do the white slider. And let's also increase the blacks. And you can already see it's pretty light. Now let's move down. We want to fix some other stuff. So if you zoom in here, you can see we have some noise here. Because the photo was dark, we made it lighter. So I want to make sure we fix that noise. So if you go to detail, you can see here we have noise reduction. And we're going to increase this one to get rid of that noise. Now you can see the photo gets pretty soft. So we want to increase the sharpening. And let's also increase the color noise reduction to get rid of ISO noise. Just like that. And now we zoom out, we press OK, and we fix that. There's one more thing I do to make photos lighter, and that is to make a curves adjustment layer. And take the highlights and move them slightly to the left to really make those lights pop. If you want to know how to color grade your photos in Photoshop, make sure to check out this video. And until then, catch you in the next video.